Good morning. Here comes Sammy. What? There's nothing in that trash. I know. I need to take it out. Hi, baby girl. All right. This morning, it is morning, but I'm going to cook these beans this morning in the pressure cooker because that is what... I'm going to have some beans and rice for dinner this afternoon, but I'm going to go ahead and get them cooked now and just let them hang out until I'm ready to eat. All right. I don't know. That's probably close to a cup, isn't it? We'll see. All right. Yep, that would be a cup. So I'm going to go through these and look for any rocks or anything that's sometimes in beans, and then I'll put them in the pressure cooker. I'm going to add some of this Thrive Life's chopped onions. Oh, I don't know how much. I can get rid of that. Let's just pour some in there. Yum. Yum. And I'll have a link in the description below about Thrive Life if you would like to check it out. Add some pepper. I forgot I made this pinto bean seasoning homemade back, I don't know when, but let's put some of that in there. It's got some chili powder and stuff in there. Yeah, that smells good. Alright, let's call that good. Let's put the lid on it. I added 3 cups of water. I know I said 2.5, I think, last time, but I'm going to do 3 this time and see how it comes out. For, I think I said 45 minutes. I think I'm going to go 50 minutes. All right, got 50 minutes going. Be back and see what it tastes like when it's done. Okay, it's done. I'm just going to let it vent off the pressure by itself, and then we'll check it. See what the beans taste like. Okay, let's check it out. No steam, no steam. See, there's still not enough water. That was 3 cups. Well, let's taste it. Boy, they look good. They look good. It's going to be hot. They're definitely done. And now I need to add salt. Okay, my rice is done. That's that wild blend gourmet rice. And I added it to my red beans. So I have red beans and rice. Looks good. It's hot. Very good. And that's what's for supper. I don't know if y'all can hear it, but it's thundering. It's lightning. It's storming. I'm going to make me some nachos. So with those refried beans that I made yesterday in the pressure cooker, I'm going to put in here. Got the little scoop tostados. And I put some. Making these in the air fryer. I've not done nachos, I don't think, in the air fryer yet. It's a storm in here. You don't like the storm, do you? I know. It's okay. It's gonna be okay. Okay, on top of the beans, I am gonna put some, there's my plate. I put a little bit of onion. Oops. He says you dropped onions on the floor. I did, little girl. Now it's starting to rain harder. Cheese. I didn't get the cheese. I put a little bit of sliced pepper jack on there just because I need to use it up before it goes bad. So I put one slice of that. Same thing. This is mozzarella. I need to use it up. Of course, I'm going to do some pizza, so I don't want to use too much of it. Colby Jack. Oh! Did y'all hear that? Yeah. It's awful dark out there. Okay. Then I'm going to put the jalapeno peppers on there. The tomatoes I will put on when it is done with some sour cream. It's raining, it's lightning, it's thundering, it's hailing. All at the same time. I think the hail just stopped. A little piece of a hail right there. It's little bitty. Oh, I'm making nachos. Oh, that looks good. I'll pull them out and put them on this plate. Okay, the nachos are done. Put the tomatoes on there. Oh, and some more onions. Hey, it's loud. Oh, good. It's gonna stop. Little baby girl's shaking. She's shaking. It's okay. It's okay. For breakfast this morning, I'm having the last of this Belgian waffle. That's all I have left. This, a banana, and I have a few little pieces of this beef tender bites teriyaki. So I'm going to get a little protein this morning with my sugar. Yeah, I don't have very many of these left, so I thought, well, I'll just eat that for breakfast and get a little protein on my breakfast this morning. And I'm not going to put this in the air fryer. I'm going to just heat it up on the stove. All right, there's my breakfast. The last little waffle. I was eating banana as I was cooking it. And then these little beef jerky bites. They're really good. Really good. I am going to cook some cheese enchiladas in the air fryer. I'm going to cook it in the silicone basket because I'm going to put the sauce on there and I'll just eat right out of the basket. But I'm cooking some bell peppers, sweet bell peppers, and there's a jalapeno in there. Yeah. But I'm going to go ahead and heat my tortilla in some oil to make it easier to roll up. And then I'm going to make my enchilada sauce, homemade enchilada sauce too. There is the 2 rolled enchiladas. I'm only going to have 2. I'm going to probably move them over a little bit because I'm going to put the rest of the beans or some beans in here from yesterday or day before. I'm going to put the beans in here, so I'll have some beans and cheese enchiladas. There's the beginning of my enchilada sauce. oil and flour. I'm about to add the chili powder in. Okay, I have all my seasonings in. Stirring it up. I don't know why I pulled a spatula out. I think I was thinking of using it for the enchiladas. Alright. Should have had a whisk. A whisk. I'll be back when it's all thick and ready to go. Okay. That's about the consistency that I want. Put the beans in. I can't spoon this on there with one hand. Okay, put some cheese, more cheese on it, and now it's going in the air fryer. Okay, one thing I don't like is, this is that Velveeta shreds, and I want it to melt. I don't want it to burn. I'm going to give it a little bit more time. If it continues to do that, I might just take it out of the silicone and put it in the microwave to melt that cheese, because I want that cheese melted. It doesn't look like it melted much. I did put it in the microwave, but it is kind of, seems melty. Anyway, so that is cheese enchiladas in the air fryer and a little bit in the microwave. See, that's melted. Just doesn't look it. I got my beans over here. I got, what, 3 meals out of these beans. Got some bell peppers, sweet bell peppers that I did in the air fryer, and a jalapeno. Let's taste the enchiladas. Actually, I think they're going to be too hot to taste. Let's see. Definitely cheesy. Can you have too much cheese? That is cheesy.